In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to contact support on Instagram in case of a problem. First, ensure your Instagram app is updated and open the app on your smartphone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down also and tap on Help. Then tap Help Center. Browse relevant topics or use the search bar to type your query and find the desired results. You can also do it on Instagram on your desktop. Just log in and locate Help, tap Help Center, and then to find relevant troubleshooting results. And that's it, guys. Unfortunately, you can't directly contact Instagram support via phone or email. If you need further assistance, try pinging Instagram on X. But responses are not guaranteed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.